today is the last day of New York, sadly. I really love New York. Everything's packed and you're gonna see my bike outside. The thing is, right now is 10 o'clock and my flight leaves at 10 o'clock at night, PM. So what I do is I'll do the checkout, leave the bags there, go for a ride, and then come back and pack the bike. Is that cool? Well, first, let's go for a COVID test.
Riding Queensboro Bridge. I looked for my COVID test, but wasn't in my street, so I have to look for it. Hope I can find it. Everything's done. All the papers are done. So I just need a COVID test now. Today's a lot warmer. It's almost 10 Celsius. A lot better than 0. So let's go to Central Park. I can find my COVID test, but it's not 11 o'clock yet. And a lot of things in New York only starts at 11. A lot of stores, a lot of places only starts at 11. So we're going to Central Park, going for a ride, and then I'll find my COVID test. Welcome to Central Park. It's a huge park. Check it out. We're right here. Next to the Metropolitan Museum, and we're riding over here and up and down, and then we come here, and then we look for COVID tests. Like all the benches in Central Park are sponsored by a family, you know. It's a great idea because this way you have a lot of benches and people can honor their family as a birthday present, or somebody that died, you know, or somebody that liked to sit there. It's good. I'm hot, so we're gonna take this shirt out. Coat out. It's perfect. Temperature is marvelous, but it's 6 Celsius. I don't know. I think I'm becoming a New Yorker. Metropolitan Museum, and here's Central Park. Lovely walk, though. It's a great walk. And over there are the bicycles. The bicycle path. I'm going to show you something that's so interesting. Check it out. This is amazing. I would say that this is one of the oldest pieces here in Manhattan. And look how cool. Right next to it, there's audio guide. So just come here and download the audio guide and know everything about the pyramid. In a couple months, this year will be so beautiful. Hi. I love New York. Here's a place that we can ride our bicycle. To go slow, go to the left side. To go fast, go to the right side. so warm that I took my gloves out. Pedestrians can go both ways, but cyclists always go this way. You can rent a bike and you can rent an e-bike. They go pretty fast. Very romantic. I get a bicycle to go around. Also romantic. Bye bye, Central Park. And for that, what I do is go to Google Maps, write COVID test. Well, here it is already because I looked for it before. So you just click the place you want. Directions, pay attention if it's in a bicycle, and it tells you what to do. So we're gonna stay here and get out on the next one, straight and left and right. Let's do it. Oh, the COVID test is in Times Square. So let's get our COVID test. For the COVID testing?
Yeah, do you have it ready with you?
Yeah.
Better, right? Working as well.
Hi.
This is for the fan. Fan. Oh, yeah, perfect. Yeah, that was it. And that was it. You see, you're a survivor. Right?
Thank you
Take
very
care.
much.
Of course.
Have a nice day. Thank you. So I just wait for the results in my email. Is that it?
Oh, yeah, you don't have to say.
Would it be in, what, 20 minutes, did you say?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day. And they did both tests. They did if I'm with COVID, not the case. And they did the other test that tells me if my vaccine is working, and also if I have antigenous, so if I'm protected from COVID. And here is Times Square, a beautiful place that the stairs are open today, so let's go up.